If your hair has been needing a little pick-me-up, you are going to love this keratin hair mask from MAREE. I'm Alicia with WTI, and I have been absolutely thrilled with this product. It comes in this cute little tub with a light, fresh scent, and it has this thick, luxurious texture, and it has amazing ingredients for your hair like keratin, marine collagen, biotin, and a coconut oil to deeply hydrate and nourish your hair. You can use this as a mask like I like to. You simply work it into your hair in sections, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. I just put my hair up and let it do its thing. Or you can actually use it as a conditioner after you shampoo for 2 to 5 minutes. You can even use this as a leave-in treatment on your damp ends. So it really is a 3-in-1 product, which is really cool. For me, it's been hard to find a good hair mask that doesn't weigh down my fine hair, but still gives me that really soft, silky feel. You can just run your fingers through it, and this one really does the trick. I absolutely love it. It feels great all day. I'd highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.